Hi, it's Dr. Kim Byrd-Rider. So we're going to use the turbo dog to clean up the downward dog. We're changing it. So this is how it goes. And this is from Anna Forrest yoga, by the way. So it's the same setup as the dolphin. You lift your elbows off the floor slightly, squeeze the elbows towards one another, and then lift. Now in this position, the wrists are no longer at end range. The elbows are out of their hyperextension. The shoulders, if you squeeze the elbows together, it's impossible for the shoulders to get to 180 degrees. They'll go to about 160 degrees of flexion, which is just fine. Lots of strengthening here. Now you bend the knees, lift the tailbone up towards the sky to reclaim the lower dotted curve. Close the low front ribs to neutralize the mid-back, then work on straightening the knees, then work on pressing the heels. The knees are not going to go all the way straight, and the heels will not go to the floor. You only have 20 degrees of dorsiflexion at the ankles. If you are driving the heels to the floor, you are most likely pronating the feet and buying yourself some extra dorsiflexion. So as you look at your feet, your ankles stay in neutral. If that is too hard at this time, which is very difficult, you can take that to the wall or to a chair and build your way, or start with the dolphin. We'll see you next time.